Hello everyone, today I decided to make a video on how to join private Telegram channels without a link. Be sure to watch this video till the end so you don't make any mistakes. First method. Click on the magnifying glass on the top right. Good job. Now just type the topic you're interested into the search box and select one of these channels. For example, let's select first and we can join right now. Let's do it. Now I'm going to show you the second way. Let's go to the browser and type in the search box Telegram channels list. Scroll down and click on this site, for example. Again, scroll down. Now we can enter the topic we are interested in the search box of the site, or just scroll down and go to some channel. For example, let's select this one and click on the green button View Channel. Well, ready? Now we can enter this channel. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you. Goodbye.